So a very warm welcome to you from the Catalan capital, Barcelona. We are at this grandest stadia, a fitting home to the giants of the world game, FC Barcelona. The team then, Barcelona against Juventus. This is Peter Drury, and I'm happy to inform you that Jim Beglin has joined me to offer his expertise.
Thanks, Peter. Hello, everybody. I'm ready to see what unfolds in this one out.
Just joining us, we are already underway. Jim, who do you pick out as the telling individual today?
Well, I can't bypass Cristiano Ronaldo. He knows how to get the job done because he's got the lot. I know I need to be careful about bias, but I really hope we see all the skills from him and that he puts on a show for us.
I think the opposition fence agree too. He's going to be the source of so many of their headaches. Forward it goes. Messi. That's really nice. Now, what next? And he's surging through. Threw himself at it, but he's got it cleanly. Space to get it forward quickly. Looks like a good ball through. And a shot! Goal! Barcelona! Deflection may or may not have made a difference. Little matter, it is his. Barcelona for first blood here.
It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang.
Going through. Morata pumps it into the area. Messi plays it forward. Tries a through ball. Griezmann takes control of it and he's on the move. Dembele. And the header! Went with his head, but couldn't steer it in.
Oh, no, that was a chance. What a chance.
Not Dembele. It's got away. That is terrific skill. Aimed in towards the centre. Szczesny catching it safely. And it's Morata. He's left his man. So what now? It's Dembele. Now the pass. Who's ball? Who's going to get that? Cross deflected over goal line for a corner. Great leap! Good stop. That wasn't easy.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
And that'll be the final action of the first half. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football, but one that still had its moments, but ultimately produced. And the second half gets underway.
Juventus need to get the balance right to sort this out. Ambition must be complemented by just the right amount of caution, and I think more experienced players can oversee that.
Jordi Alba looks to slip it through. Now here's the through ball. Going through. Beautifully done. Messi. And
to prevent that.
Messi. And Messi!
Looking back on that, it was some save and potentially a big moment for the keeper and his team.
The referee has brought play back and shown him a yellow card. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Now it's Griezmann. Goes wide. Lobs it in gently. Oh, well defended. That had to be done. Messi, he's got away. Go for goal! Oh, wonderful, wonderful! Lionel Messi! A two-goal lead, and they're firmly in control.
Well, none of us were exactly sure how that was going to end up then, but I'm delighted to see such a happy ending after such a splendid dribbling run. I mean, he really did fool that defence into wondering what he was going to do next.
Barcelona look as though they're about to make a change.
I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. You know, he was looking very...
PK. And it's Griezmann. Messi played out to the right. He's got options up wide. Brings it forward. Sure, this is the last chance now. Driving on, a real charge here. Wonderful quick feet. He's had a go! The final whistle. Well, the players certainly gave it everything, but just didn't get the break. Terrific support, terrific effort, but the wrong outcome. What are your thoughts on today's game then, Jim?
Juventus could still be playing, Pete.